So yeah, here it came to, this is a typical screen printing area, typical dryer, full M&R equipment, brand name equipment. Pretty much what you got to do to go automatic, which we could rock at least 150 to 200 shirts an hour. The manuals for stuff that we typically are a few pieces of this way or multiple colors, too many colors that it's not worth setting up the automatic for. And these are a typical day job of knocking out.
Just like we just said, like with screen printing, like we did with vinyl, your auto, it has times, your manuals have different times. I don't want to set up a 20-piece job on an auto. I mean, it's just too much work. And I see you also have wood frames, aluminum frames, and then even Newman roller stretch frames, so you can get that nice tautness. Would you agree that out of all these decoration processes, this is the one that takes the most skill and have the most experience to master?
Yeah, so I'd be honest, it definitely does. The only thing I guess we'll disagree on that comment, it would be that you could probably get more people helping that don't know the skill as much. Meaning the actual printer does need a lot of skill to run that automatic.
Yep.
You wouldn't even pay me any money to run that thing. Even the manual to set it up exactly evenly. But once you're in the motion and you have those one or two people that are skilled, because of the production level, you need someone to hop it onto the dryer, you need people taking it off. That's where we have, at least over here, an easier time versus running a wide format or even an engraving machine. It needs someone with a little bit of training, every single person.
And do you do a lot of cross training just because,
yeah, so my goal is in this business is to, because we definitely have, I don't even know off the top of my head how many decoration methods we have. I try as much as possible to have every person know every single method as much as possible. Meaning, I would love the screen printer to know how to use the wide format, the heat press person could know how to embroider. Well, everybody should be trying to be this way. If someone doesn't show up, I have someone to compensate for that person.
Makes sense.